Assalamu alaikum friends, today I'm going to do unboxing of EarFun Air Pro 4 which I got from Amazon. I will put the link in the description, and these are one of the cheapest ANC earbuds, wireless earbuds in the market right now, and I'm going to see what's all the hype about. So let me just quickly open this packet, and here as you can see we have our earbuds, and I got this in black color. You can also get this in white as well, and I will put the link in the description. So here as you can see, EarFun Air Pro 4 Ultra ANC. It has Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, I believe, and on the back you can pause and read all of the features. Supports LDAC audio, and here as you can see, Qualcomm high-res audio wireless and gold award winner. So I'm gonna be checking the sound quality, and I will do a full review of this earbuds in the future. So I'm gonna also be testing the mic as well. So here is on the back, as you can see, we have all of the good stuff, and you can connect this with your iOS device or Android device. So let me just quickly peel the plastic. And yeah, the packaging is really nice actually. And compared to AirPods Pro, guys, these are very cheap, and we are going to be testing the sound quality, and it also has a transparency mode. So let me just quickly open the box, and here as you can see, Bluetooth 5.4. So let me just quickly open the box. Here as you can see, we have our quick start guide, I believe. So here as you can see, user manual and some additional paperwork which we don't need actually. So I'm gonna just put these to the side, and let's see our earbuds. Let me just quickly put these inside. And for user manual, actually we also don't need the user manual, so let me just put it inside, and let's see what else we get inside the box. We have our earbuds, and here is another box. So we get extra ear tips, which is similar to AirPods Pro. They provide you different sizes here as you can see. So yeah, really nice that we get extra ear tips. Let's see what else we get inside the box. We get a USB Type-C cable, which is very good that we get this USB Type-C cable inside the box, although it's a little bit tiny. So anyways, let me just put this to the side, and let's see our earbuds. Here is our earbuds. On the top we have EarFun logo. Let me just, here as you can see, and the build quality looks amazing, guys. In this price range, the build quality is really nice. We have LED indicator on the front, and here as you can see on the back we have USB Type-C port. So here is the case, and we have our earbuds, which looks similar to AirPods Pro, the design, if we talk about design. So let me just quickly peel this plastic off. There is another plastic on the hinge magnet. Let me just quickly remove that as well. So here as you can see, so yeah, the build quality is amazing, guys. I'm really impressed by the build quality. Let me just put this to the side, and let's look at our earbuds. Here as you can see, look at the design, guys. Looks really nice in my opinion. And we have EarFun logo, and you can remove the ear tips as well. So I believe the default ear tips is not going to fit in my ears. You can change it to the smallest one. And let me just quickly put this inside the case. And guys, I'm going to be testing this. We have a button on the front as well. I believe it is for resetting the earbuds. So yeah. So yeah, guys, the build quality is amazing in my opinion, and I'm gonna be testing the sound quality as well, and let you guys know how it sounds by default. So let's first quickly just put them in my ears, And guys, I need to change the ear tips. It doesn't actually fit me that well, so I'm gonna be switching to the smallest one. So let's quickly change the ear tips. And it's very easy to remove. So I'm gonna be using these. Let's see. So here, as you can see, very easy to install as well. So let me just quickly put these back. These one does not fit me well. I believe these are the largest one. So yeah, you can change as per your ear design or ear whatever you want to call it. So let me just quickly put this back, so you don't want to lose it. And yeah, let's try now. Yeah, this one fits perfectly, and I'm gonna go with the smallest one. So guys, let me just quickly test the sound quality. After testing, guys, on the default equalizer, it's gonna sound normal and okayish, but once you adjust the equalizer, it's gonna sound amazing, guys. And if it also has touch controls, if you tap on the right earbud, the volume will increase. If you tap on the left earbud, the volume will decrease. And if you tap and hold on the left earbud, you can switch between ANC and transparency mode. So these sounds really amazing in my opinion in this price range. So guys, I'm gonna do a full review later on, and if you like this video, click on that like button, comment down below. Thanks a lot for watching my video, guys. I will see you guys in the next one. Allah Hafiz.